Hello everyone, my name is Putri Mega. I'm mother of Dominica Marial Princesa from Primary 1A, years of 2022-2023. The decision to send our daughter to Catholic school started as tradition from our parents. We want to share the same Catholic values with our family. And also, my husband and I were looking for a bilingual school with an international curriculum. We were looking for the best fit for our daughter. So, we decided to choose John Paul School. Our daughter is excited every morning about going to school. She is becoming more socialized and educated each day. The curriculum is challenging yet enjoyable in order to prepare our kids well for the next level of education. As a Catholic school, students are truly built on a foundation of the Catholic values. It has been an amazing environment for my daughter to grow both academically and spiritually. I recommend John Paul School to any parents who want their children to get a good educational experience and become confident learner. I am pretty sure her wonderful learning experience at John Paul School will be memorable.
Here, we are like one big family. We care for each other, we support each other, teachers and students alike. So if you would like to be a part of our growing family, please come and visit us and we will be more than glad to welcome you all. Bye-bye everyone. Thank you for joining me.